Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is an interesting plant. I don't know if any of you know what this is. You can see what it looks like. I have an interesting plate here. Before I tell you, well, let me just go straight to the point. This is called papaya roots. It's from a young papaya plant. Basically, we are looking for a female species. Papaya plant is dominant in estrogen, while the male papaya plant is dominant in testosterone. We, as a female, you are looking for the female papaya roots. The roots. This is the roots. This is what it looks like. It's wet, and it's always wet. This can be blended into a paste and it can do so many amazing things for you. I'm going to talk about three secrets powerful benefits of the papaya plant. Number one is that papaya plant contains more beta carotene than carrots. It's very good for your eyesight. It boosts cell regeneration or cell reformation, and this helps to fortify your immune system and makes your body very, very strong. Number two secret powerful benefit is that papaya root, it contains what we call bioflavonoids, and these are also known as nutrient P. They are partial fundamental supplements and they act as nature's modifier and react to organic changes in the body. These bioflavonoids in papaya switches the body's reaction to infections or cancer-fighting agents and allergens and shields it from destruction and dangerous diseases. Basically, what it does is that it shields your body from cancer causing properties, some types of diseases, not all types of diseases. It fortifies your immune system and it makes your body very strong to be able to fight. The bioflavonoids are very, very potent. Then number three is that papaya roots fight infection, like I've mentioned, but basically destroys parasites and gastrointestinal worms. Infection, stomach infection. When you have gastrointestinal worms, you would have a lot of health complications. Very, very important that we treat our stomach, the large intestine, the small intestine. Parasites are dangerous, are very dangerous to the body system. They will destroy the gut flora, and this gut flora is very, very important in regulating the function of the body system. In fact, science is beginning to term the gut flora as the second brain, to tell you how important the gut flora is. Now, as a bonus, I promise to tell you three benefits or powerful benefits of papaya root. But the fourth one is that papaya root helps to regulate the menstrual cycle, and that's for you, all my fans, women. It aids menstrual blood flow when you juice it, because it contains estrogen dominating properties, and so this will help to regulate the menstrual cycle. It also increases the body heat. Heat is very important for women because this helps to promote blood flow, you understand. As a woman, you should boil this. You can add this, wash this, add it to a pot, and then you drink a glass cup twice daily. This is papaya roots. It's always wet. I would recommend you put this in the freezer whenever you uproot it. It's very good for female fertility. It has a lot of nutrients in it. So when you use it, produces heat in the body system. So this helps to enhance or balance estrogen in the body system. You want to go for female papaya root. And how do you tell the difference? You're going for the tree that has the fruits. The female papaya root has the fruits, so that's the female tree, while the male tree only produces flowers. Basically, we want to cook this. I want to transfer it to our pot. We already have our pot on our stove. It's washed. I've washed it several times, but you can wash as many times as you want it. So we just place. But actually, this is a very young tree. It's a young tree, so the shoots are still vibrant. I'll recommend you get a fresh young tree. If you don't put it in the freezer, it will start having white coating, but that's not a problem. It just, all you have to do is wash it properly, similar to this. We are going to wash it off. While boiling, it's going to kill the bacteria, germs, whatever. So that's why the boiling is very important. All you need to do is make sure that water fills. But meanwhile, we can start boiling this. Yeah. So just add 2 jars of water. Fill it to the brim. You can range that in properly. We're going to go in with our lid. Cover that, and I'll bring you back. Our herbs is boiling, mashallah. Basically now all is left is it has been boiling for over 5 minutes now. Don't be like me, I overfilled it so it's spilling. I had to remove the lid. Basically what I would recommend is you use a bigger pot for this. So you allow it to cook for about 3 minutes, sorry, 30 minutes. I wanted to say you can reduce the heat so the nutrients from the roots would seep into the water. As you can see, the water is changing color. I'm zooming. The water is changing colors, so the color will go deeper as it seeps. You can even boil for 24 hours if you have sufficient means to do that. Boil for 24 hours. The longer it boils, the more nutrients or much more better your juice or your drink will be. So how you're going to drink this is you then take it morning and night. Morning before meal, then at night after meal. So that will work at night. It's work on your liver. A glass cup is what will suffice. And then don't forget to come back to this video to give us review. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Please subscribe, share with your friends and family and your loved ones. Isn't this lovely? And you know what? This channel, you always want to turn on the bell notification. You always want to come to Sarah Blend's channel because what we share is unique.